Dispatch, Unit 12 is on scene. Front door is already open. We're making entry now. Copy, Unit 12. Suspect may still be inside. Proceed with caution. Covering the stairs. Move up, I got you.
Second floor, whoever's here, come out with your hands where I can see them. I saw movement, left room. Someone's still in this house.
Watch the corners, Marcus.
Watch that dark corner. He's watching us right now. Daniel, look up there. He's just ahead. I've got his visual.
But you're looking in the wrong place. Dispatch, we are approaching the cabin.
Watch the window.
Units, perimeter is established.
Dispatch, we have a runner! Dispatch, we have a runner! Need backup now! Marcus, he's heading east! Move! Police, show me your hands! Back away, don't touch it! He wants us to follow him. Fresh tracks! He's definitely been here! Marcus? Daniel! Movement! No. He entered the water. He's trying to hide his trail. This wasn't just a hiding place. He's been planning something much bigger. Daniel, the GPS is live. He's close. Let's move. Marcus, take the right! I'm on him! Marcus, watch the left. Watch the left. I've got the right. Hold, I've got a glove here.
All units, suspect is on foot.
Stop right there! Police! Daniel, watch the slick floor! Suspect is heading towards the north exit. Ground now!
Suspect Diddy, scene is secure. Request detectives and crime scene units.
Copy, Unit 12. Additional units are en route.